А смотри, что это за домики.
Where are the people of Deadwood? There's supposed to be people here. Oh, buddy, what happened to the people of Deadwood? You don't know? You think the bandits drove everyone out of town? You do? Oh, I didn't want to have to tell you all this, but we do have a little bit of a bandit problem. Don't be concerned, sir, okay? I'm pretty sure Marshal Jack has the situation under control. The one you do need to be concerned about, though, is this real big, tall, hairy fellow with large feet. Here they come. It's going to be on your left-hand side. Now, these are funny. Here's a wait, what? Oh, there's a Sasquatch in the barrel. And no one's at base camp. Where's the expedition? Hello?
Over here! I say, over here!
Oh, everyone look on the right, up a tree. That's Seymour Stuffy Pants.
Oh, for the last time, you pronounced stupid.
Oh, it is? I'm sorry. Where's the rest of your expedition? Where's my good friend, the professor?
Oh, let me think. Somewhere between, I'm stuck up a tree and I don't care.
That was rude. Okay, the professor wasn't at base camp, and he wasn't with Seymour. Do you know where the professor is? You don't? Professor, where are you? Oh, good.
I'm up here, just around the bend. Professor McGillicuddy is today, and finding Bigfoot. Here's my day.
Hey, Professor, this big hole on our right, Sasquatch Cavern. Tell us about those.
Yes, of course.
Oh, good.
Our theory is that the Sasquatch are using a valve underground well. That's why you ever see
What
one.
are y'all pointing at?
There you are. I see. Have you
Hi,
seen
Professor.
one?
Oh, Professor, there's one right behind you.
Where?
He's literally right behind you. Oh, Professor's not paying attention. Okay, sir, head down. Professor, make sure we're heading down, sir. Further, sir. Even further. And more. Sir, you don't want to see this. Okay. I think we're out, sir. I think the professor's gonna be just fine. Ooh, not fine. Wait. If there was
Видел, сразу косилка побежал, запрятался.
Do you know what that means, buddy?
Да.
There's a legend that if you listen real closely as you cross this specific trestle, you can hear the ancient songs of the Sasquatch echoing amongst the trees. Give it a listen. Well, this time the Silver Miners, while we have dramatic music, where are the Silver Miners? There's supposed to be miners here. They always come out and meet us. Oh, the miners might be in trouble. Okay, everybody, I need you to shout out miners on 3. Maybe we can find them. Miners on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Miners! Miners, you here? We got this young boy with a mullet. It's great. You gotta see him. Oh boy. Do you see these here? Oh, bandit tracks. It looks like 2 pair of them. This one right here is Dapper Dan. Oh, this one over here is Black Fart. Oh, it's a good thing that I'm not afraid of bandits, though. So I'm gonna go track me down some bandits. But while I go track down these bandits, I need y'all to be my eyes and ears out here. So if you see or hear anything, go ahead and scream and shout as loud as you can, and then I, Deputy Bean, will come running. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
So, like, 5 of you can do that for me, and someone said no.
Yes.
Y'all are gonna die. No, I don't want you to die, though. Let's practice. On the count of 3, we'll scream and shout as loud as we can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That will be just fine. Wait. Behind me? Right now? Oh. I don't see him. Where is he? Oh. Dapper Dan. Dapper, I see you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. You're behind the fence.
That's not Dapper Dan. That's one of them, animatronic machines.
Oh, what?
See?
Dapper, step out from behind the fence.
Oh, fine, you got it.
Now stop right there.
Okay.
Now where's your private black cloak?
The one that got right behind you.
So
Yeah, he's right behind you. You got him good.
Yeah, I did. Now would you look at what we got here?
We got ourselves a train.
You know we like to do a train, don't you?
Yeah, we like to ride on.
We like to rock. No! We like to rob
Oh,
them!
we like to rob them. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce ourselves. My name is Dapper Dan, and this is my brother, Black Fort.
It's Forte! It's French!
Same thing.
Now, I'm gonna go that way, and you're gonna go that way.
Oh, I'm gonna go that way.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
You idiot!
Oh, I think you chipped the tooth of mine.
You look better at it
Oh, there's
anyway.
another one.
You going yet?
Not yet.
Oh, I'll kill you!
Oh, you gotta catch me first.
I don't gotta catch you, I got a shotgun.
Please, you couldn't hit the broadside of a board.
That's why I got a shotgun.
Oh, too bad.
Liz,
All right, folks, listen up. We got 3 very simple rules on this here train. Rule number 1. This ain't a real train robbery. Rule number 2. All the money collected here today gets donated to the Children's Village right here in North Idaho.
So think of the children.
Yes, sir. And finals, rule number 3. We like to feel like we're doing our job. So everybody, put your hands together. Put 'em up. All right, y'all ready to get robbed?
For me, get your hands
Here we go.
Let me tell you twice.
знаете, бандиты напали, да?
It's okay. Oh, put those hands back up. There we go. There we go. All right.
You gotta be green up here, you gotta be silver.
Look at all this green.
Watch you make a hit do it, okay? Yeah, see how it works. Thank you very much. You put the rounds down, put your hands back down. Children, what is your brother, children? All right, you know we're out here. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm afraid. Rock. Oh, stand up, put those hands up. Tequila, Howard. Wait a minute. You're getting robbed and you're drinking popcorn. Yeah, but on my train. Popcorn, okay. Ooh, that's disgusting. No, get around. Look at all this green. Let me find on my way. Whoa, sorry, sister, what? Oh, don't be embarrassed. I'm there, my sister, too. It's okay. Got the green. Look at all this. Thank you very much. Oh, got mine. Go real steady, don't move. I like your glasses are reflected, I can see my hair. Oh, it looks really good. You just hate it better than David's criminal. Look at all this. You feel good about yourself. We got more green. Here we go, I like it. Here we go. You're holding it like a hell, huh? Look at that, all right. I like the green very much. There we go. All right. Put that hand up. Super after me. Get my name right. I'm not crazy. All right. Once in a while, I like somebody to get my name right. What? Art? Art? You may be my other guy. I got any problem shooting you. Okay, let's keep going. That was the weakest disarm I've ever seen. All right, folks. You ready to go? Hey, took my money. I'm a train rapper. What do you think I do for a living? We got ourselves a problem. Oh, what was the problem?
I saw a bunch of cameras on that there train.
Wait, what's a camera?
Oh, you know, it takes your photography grade.
Oh, you mean like a picture?
Yeah, like a picture.
Woo! Somebody take a picture of me. My hair looks real good today. You can frame this one if you want. This is my good side.
No! So don't take your picture. Evidence.
It's what?
It's evidence. Moss could use that to put us back in jail.
Oh, jail's bad. Well, what are we gonna do?
We gotta blow up this whole train.
Good idea. With what?
Well, let's use this here genuine ticking time bomb.
Woo! I like this side of that. Now tell me, how does that work?
You twist this here down and start to tick.
It starts to tick in.
It starts ringing.
Y'all are gonna get blown up, and I can't wait.
This is my favorite part.
Oh, what's your favorite part?
It goes
Oh, wait. Well, that sounds dangerous.
It is. That's why you're taking care of it.
Oh, okay, that's why I get to take care. Wait, I don't want this. You can have it.
Come on, Dapper Dan. It's your turn.
It's not my turn. Here, you take it.
No. Oh, come on. It's real easy. Just hold your hands out like, hey, get back here.
You'll never catch me.
Ah, fine. You, what's your name? Zach, you're gonna catch this here genuine ticket time bomb on 3. Hold your hands out like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh no!
I think they're gonna get wet.
Zach! You had one job! At least it didn't blow up. Did I forget to mention y'all might get a little wet in that center car? I knew I was forgetting something. Speaking about forgetting, though, y'all were supposed to tell me what Dad's going to do.
You are the shortest little deputy.
Yeah. Now put him up.
Like this? Ow! I can't believe you hit me. I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Where'd you go? You are so fast. I got you now. There you are. Yeah.
Come back.
Not the money maker.
That's right. I showed him. Oh.
I'm gonna kill you.
Black Bart, let's just talk this through. Maybe we can be friends. That's an axe.
You bet it is.
You are gonna hurt someone with that.
That's the idea.
Black Bart, you wouldn't hurt a deputy now, would you? Oh well. Oh, you get it? Oh well, because he fell into the well?
Hey, deputy.
Yeah. Oh,
Wait. What'd you do with my brother?
your brother?
Yeah.
He fell in the well.
He fell in the well?
Yeah.
Well, how'd he do that?
Well, he was fighting me and he had an axe in his hand and he tripped and kind of fell in.
You must have pushed him.
I didn't push him.
Did he push him? Oh, I heard a yes.
What?
Prepare to die, deputy.
No.
I won't still. What?
Dapper, what happened?
I gotta reload so I can kill you. Duh.
Oh, Dapper, please do not make me shoot you.
I like to see you try, deputy.
No.
I'm still. Oh no.
Well, there you go, folks. I just got my first bad guy. Give it up. Now, what do you say we really do give this money to charity? Does that sound like a good idea?
Or you could drop it down the well for good luck.
But Black Fart,
Yeah?
you're supposed to be dead.
Oh, right.
All right, now I need everybody to take a seat. We cannot take off until you do. Can you take a seat for me, sir? There we go.
They got tiny little eyes.
Did y'all enjoy that show? Yeah! Now, I bet y'all didn't realize this, but thanks to the generosity of folks just like you, last year we were able to donate $60,000 to the Children's Village right here in Hayden, Idaho. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now,